watching the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crack a palm, break hard, Chris, make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
Okay, so I paid for this clip on top last week. And then I got this light you're seeing, this light, it's not here. So I got like a patricia to that. Because I'm moving in this weekend. Today's Monday, I'm moving in by, I'm moving in by Saturday this week. You guys, I went for 6 days, 2 days now. Everybody's ready to have a good chat. You guys see my light. Oh my god. The ceiling is going to get painted as well. So, I think that this is what the paint see, but obviously I got that it's not here. So let me give them the full view of the place. So this is the door when you walk in. Then there's this wall that I'm going to put a wallpaper on. It's like a moving, I don't know if you guys shall see it, and it's really nice and I'm so excited. And then come over to this side and I just have this one focus. Thank you. I just have this one window here and then walkway. So you come here and this is the kitchen situation. This is paint he's going to use as my bag. This is the lock for the door because the door doesn't have a lock. So I told the landlady that I wanted one. So that's that. Then this is the kitchen. Then coming over here, this is the toilet and bathroom, the door. And then walking here, there's a sink, there's a toilet. And somewhere in this small space, I'm just supposed to have my shower. But yeah, I like that there's a big window here though. It is pretty big. Let me see the window here. Yeah, the window here is big as well. I changed this. I changed the lights. Then I trunked the wires because the wires were like everywhere. It was so disgusting to look at. Yeah, so that's the place. The floor is such a mess. I'm hoping that the painting is done soon so that I can clean up before I move in on Saturday. So that I'm not sweeping and moving in on Saturday. That makes sense. And guys, I'll check with you guys when the painter comes and like let you guys know what's up. What do I have you here for? Thank you, Mom.
So I was editing this vlog and I realized that I didn't close it out. So basically when I got to my apartment, I just cleaned and moved my shit in. I didn't do anything else. My phone was low, that's why I didn't record. And I've been here, it's actually been a week since I've been here, you guys. Crazy, but yeah. So that's all that happened when I got back, when I got here. Pretty basic stuff. And yeah, I just wanted to end out the vlog because it was really abrupt and I didn't like it. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll let you guys know how things are moving. See you guys next vlog. That was like too much stuff even for me. Okay, bye.